25 way to make money online, offline and at home. First of all, how to make money online. Making money online is the sweet spot. People look for the gig economy. Whatever you aspire to, big six-figure social media influencer or just looking to supplement your regular income with some online side job, we have found some viable option. Pick freelance to work. Make money online through website as SaaS, Upwork, Fiverr and freelancer.com. This site offer opportunity to do a variety of freelancing jobs such as writing, programming, design, marketing, entry, being virtual, French second language, check site such a Django or Blend Express or Dump business through a site or down. No matter what freelancing you do, keep track the going right the can and provide you know if you sharing too much or too little. Test website and another way to make from home is site like usertesting.com. You get paid for your thought or how well or not so well certain website and app worked. You will have to complete a short test to be accepted, then you will be played depending on the test type. User testing does not disclose an exact amount. Pick up task on Amazon and mechanical Turk. Even in the age of automation, some job will still require a human touch. Company often outsource those jobs via service like Amazon Mechanical Turk. As a worker, the task you as- assign can be tedious. Tagging images, trans- transcribing video, classify reception, and can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Temporary employee request to set a price to each tax and get to approve the finished product before paying you. That can leave room for scam. So you do research, join community like Motor Crowd or the Microsoft Nation subscription, which can steer you away from the error. Make survive for money. You can make money by taking online survey, but don't expect to be rolling in the dock. Survey sites don't typically offer a big payoff, and money sites are more useful for earning gift cards than cash. Some of the more popular survey sites include Swagbuck and Survey Junkie. Read our analysis site, find out the best tutor. Make money from our blog and affiliate. If you are a blogger who get decent traffic, you could make money by joining an affiliate network. Affiliate that you get paid when someone click through from the website, the partner site, and buys something. Where some blogger make a lot money this way. Read more about affiliate marketing. Sell your wire and SD. Have a passionate for woodworking, jewelry making, embroidery or pottery. Sell your good on SD. They go to site for artists selling home good or making SD versus 96 million active buyer and grossed about 30.5 billion in merchandise sale in 2021 according to data from Sasasa. Get advertising revenue from your blog or YouTube channel. Turn your chat video into cash video. If your YouTube video or blog post draw a big audience, you may be able to make money for advertising. Your site acquires 1000 subscribers as the benchmark creator must make before applying for the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube Partner then get access to Google AdSense as service business pay through advertising around your content. The service is free, but there are requirements you must meet. Become an Instagram influencer. Comparing or using Instagram influencer people with large dedicated following on the platform to rep their product. You can get in the action by applying for opportunity via a marketing platform like Open Influencer or Aspire, or by connecting the brand you want to work. Monetize your Twitter channel. Gaming could be a way to make money from home. If you study following Twitch to go to site for gamer broadcast can receive donation from viewer and even get a share subscription and revenue the affiliate partner. And 10, sell your photography. How to tell your photography. How to make money from home. Become a dog walker or dog sitter. 12, sell unused gift card. 30, list your super bedroom on Airbnb. How to make money offline. 14, sell your guarantee used cloth. Trade in the old phone electronic for cash. 60, get a babysitting gig. Rest out of your car. 18, sign up for tax rebate. Become a private tutor. Drive for Uber and Lyft. Make deliveries for Amazon, Uber Eats. 22, find work as a house sitter. 23, sign up to be a mystery shopper. 24, find seasonal work. 25, put your drone to work.